have with me the makers and cast of the season 2 of Criminal Justice. I have Rohan Sippy, Arjun Mukherjee, the directors of the series, and I have the very talented cast, including Pankaj Tripathi, Anupriya Goenka, Kirti Kulhari, and Shilpa Shukla. Hello and welcome.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I want to start off with the makers, Rohan and Arjun. Firstly, I'm hearing this is a why done it and not a who done it, right? What are the challenges that come with that genre? And what about this courtroom drama excited you? And what did you personally want to bring to season 2 of this show?
Firstly, I think season one did an amazing job of setting up a world, a format, and most importantly, unforgettable characters like Madhav Mishra and Nikhat. So that was a great start, and that was one of the great elements in season two also, because there's a whole new side to Madhav's character that we see, which was a lot of fun to do. And the why done it part of it was a challenge, because you had to hold a drama without the usual tropes of a who done it. But I think really it's the writing and the performances. The people you see here, of course, are very much a part of it. But there's a lot of others that really made the show, I think, unforgettable down to the smallest parts. So I think that for me was singularly the best thing, was working with the crew and with a cast like this, that we got to do so much good, intense work in a relatively intense short time.
Arjun, what was it about it that excited you and why did you want to join the project?
Well, a couple of things. One was the grayness of the content, and how, I mean, the law is gray, morality is gray, motives are gray, and how the law tries to bring a certain black and whiteness into all the grays and draw hard lines, and how those lines can sometimes clash with the truth. And that was very interesting. And the other interesting thing for me was that it's a very women centric show, and that also appealed to me a lot. So yeah, these I would say are the two main things, and of course the fantastic cast. It was a privilege to work with all of them, and they made my life so much easier.
Well, did you want to entertain or inform or reform?
For me
Well,
personally, it's entertaining is the first thing. You got to hold an audience. Hopefully, they will take things out of it, but that you leave up to them. And I think that's a credit to the writing and the performances again, where they can bring those subtext, those questions up to the fore. But I don't think it's, for me personally, very effective to try and preach. And like Arjun said, the grayness is what stands out, and that leads people to think, and hopefully it'll give them something to chew on.
All right.
for me, the key word would be, my goal is to engage people. Definitely not reform, but engage is the key word for me.
Engaging. All right. All right. And for now, from the trailer, I am definitely intrigued. And Pankaj ji, you said your character, Mishra ji, struck a chord with the audience and was also appreciated by seniors that you respect. So, what was it about this season that enticed you?
आई थिंक इस सीजन की कहानी जो है ना, एक तो बहुत जरूरी सब्जेक्ट है वो, जो उस हिपोक्रेसी की तरह है, पाखंड की तरह है, कि पाखंड हमारे समाज में है बट दिखता नहीं है। तो ये समस्या जो हम इस बार सीजन 2 में बातें कर रहे हैं, वो समाज में बहुत व्याप्त है, बहुत ही स्ट्रांगली रूप से, बट वो कई बार वो दिखता नहीं है। और जिसके साथ तो ये कहानी है। प्लस इस बार मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा जो फिल्म महिलाएं हैं इस सीरीज की, वो चाहे कीर्ति हो या अनुप्रिया हो। और उधर मैं एक लास्ट लाइन है, इनफैक्ट सीरीज के एंड में एक लाइन मैंने ऐसे ही रैंडम इम्प्रोवाइज कर दी थी, सर को बोला भी था, अर्जुन जी थे उस दिन डायरेक्टर, कि एक औरत का केस है, दूसरी औरत लड़ रही है और तीसरी औरत को जजमेंट देना है, और ये मेरी औरत है। उस दिन मेरी औरत कुछ तो काफी महिलाएं हैं, और महिलाएं समाज के हर स्टार्टा से आती हैं। इलीट क्लास की भी हैं, पुलिस फोर्स में भी महिलाएं हैं, लॉयर में भी महिलाएं हैं, जुडिशरी साइड में भी औरतें हैं। तो वो बहुत खूबसूरत पार्ट है कि औरतें काफी हैं इस बार।
And I hear there is something that connects all of them as well.
जी, कहीं ना कहीं ये है सबका।
So that is something that is an intriguing factor. You're not saying much, and you shouldn't as well, to keep the suspense intact. Kirti, and your character is someone that doesn't have lot to say in terms of lines, but definitely has a lot to convey. So how did you manage to bring that kind of intensity to your role that was required?
Well, that's a mystery that's probably going to die with me, go with me in my grave. Like, I don't know how to answer that question because you don't know how you bring it. You just do your tayari, your preparation, your homework. And if you're lucky enough, I believe it'll eventually show or it will not show. Either ways, you have to keep working at it. So, um, I wanted to try a very different also way of kind of approaching this kind of intense character and what she's doing in the show. So I think it was very experimental for me as an actor as well. And I have we the actors take a lot from their lives, and they use their personal life experiences. मेरे ख्याल से जो बहुत which is an initial thing that you probably do when you're learning to find your ground. Uh, but in this case, I think I have exhausted all of that long time back. So I had to find a new way, and I genuinely mean this when I say that you can just go with your conviction. You can just go with what you believe, and whatever else you find along the way, and really, really, really hope that it magically just appears. And so there was no special preparation that I had to do. It's pretty much what I do for every character. But I just knew that. I think also what makes it different is the fact that I really enjoyed exploring that. I really enjoyed exploring the silences. I really enjoyed not speaking a word and then trying to speak through other things, other ways. Which is, I think, so. If like it's like when you don't have a voice, how do you express yourself? So yeah, I think I really enjoyed that process, and I think probably that's another reason that I could just go through it on a daily basis. And I hope that whatever I've tried to show as an actor through the character, I really hope it shows.
Well, in the trailer, at least, I think you're carrying the film, carrying the series on your shoulders, and it's very intriguing, as I mentioned. Anupriya, you mentioned that your character has a rich backstory. So tell me about that. Working with a richly detailed script and filmmakers who pay attention to detail.
So the backstory for Nikhat could be season 1, because we see as to where she's come from. She was a novice there, and how she has kind of graduated to being a lawyer in her own footing, because they won a case together, and that too a difficult one. And in this season, we explore her personal life a little more. We dig deep into where she comes from, what is the childhood she probably had. And as you rightly said, I was very lucky to have both Rohan sir and Arjun, there to help us through this whole process. And they let you be, they let you do your own thing, but also know where to kind of tug at you and where to guide you in a very subtle manner without imposing. And that's a boon for an actor, where you know that you can trust your director to stop you or to control you or to maneuver you, while also you have the freedom to be. And that is exactly what I had. I was just saying that we used to do long takes sometimes, and that itself was like a blessing, and was an experience of sorts. So yeah, I mean, it does have a rich backstory, and of course the writing is so good that you really did not have to try much. It was all there on paper, except for the part that how does Nikhat transform from being a novice in the first season, and now her body language has to be a little more sure, but still she's still learning. She's still in the initial stages of her career somewhere.
All right. Shilpa, tell me about how you connected with your role. There are so many strong female characters in this series, as we're talking about. So tell me about your role and about your experience of working with this stellar cast.
Yeah. So Ishani Nath, first of all, I think I fell in love with the name. I thought it was a really powerful name. And then, of course, when I came to know, who are the makers and, the directors and then the entire cast, and I was like, there is no reason for me to say no to this. In fact, I'm really grateful for this opportunity because, I've been, waiting for something nice to come my way and, get back on set again. So yeah, I think I enjoyed, most of my scenes are with Kirti, and I think we had a very fine, silent way of working together. And I think we did also enjoy each other's company, I hope. And then, of course, and then I had one scene with I remember Deepti ma'am, and that also I loved, performing with her again. This is my third project with her. And then everyone, then Pankaj, and it's like, you don't, as a performer, you also grow when you're working with, such great actors. So for me, it happened after a long time. I didn't know कि मैं कितने पानी में हूँ. So, after the lockdown, I remember one day we were shooting and 5 months I was out of character. And then I remember Arjun comes and says, she's like this and she's not like that. And I'm like, oh, teri main bhool gayi thi. So, yeah. So great fun. I'm really, really so fortunate to be a part of this project. Yeah.
Rohan, Arjun had earlier mentioned how he was lucky to have such a great cast who made things easy for him. Can you expand on the performances?
Yeah, I'll let to. I think Pankaj also mentioned very nicely in the interview earlier. There's so many others, like for example, the police couple he was talking about, two terrific actors, Kalyani Mule and Ajit Singh Palawat. And what's within just each beat of each scene, it was such a pleasure because Kalyani, Ajit, both, they're so good with their eyes. They would just add a beat, and there's a wonderful, on the writing level as well, there's a reflection of the case that is playing out in Kalyani's mind with regards to her husband, which is Ajit's character. So all of these little layers they kept playing with. Arjun has mentioned earlier, Mishti. She was such an amazing performer. It was the hardest role to cast in the show, Anup Chandra's daughter. And we really lucked out. She's been an amazing, amazing find. I think she's going to go on and have a phenomenal career too. But I think, there was just so, and of course, you never get a chance to work with so many women, so you get some chance to work on good material, but having that overlapping with this unique opportunity, and like Pankaj said, from all kinds of, the characters are written from all kind of strata, and they all kind of fit in together. So it was just really a lot of fun having that kind of a canvas to play with.
That sounds genuine and heartfelt, Rohan. About the cast, and the more I talk to you guys, the more intrigued I am. And Arjun, tell me about the shoot itself. Where did you shoot, and what was the mood like on the sets?
We shot in Bombay. A lot of it was shot around Mira Road. We were shooting in both the jail, and a lot of the other sets were set up in locations in Mira Road and studios as well. The atmosphere was actually great. We finished, I would say, maybe 75% of the shoot before lockdown, and we finished the rest of it after. So the atmosphere after lockdown obviously came with a lot of baggage. But it was superb. We had a really professional crew, and atmosphere was lovely.
Well, I think now the audience knows everything that they need to know. We need to keep the suspense intact. So I'm going to let all of you go. Thank you so much for talking to me, and thank you for intriguing us and giving us something to look forward to. Thank you.
Thanks,
you.
Shilpa.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Bye.
Bye.